Hey everyone, welcome to my studio. This week in my studio, I am working on the second mosaic that is going to go around the Moses fountain, second of three, and it is baby Moses being pulled from the Nile. So this is the overall design, and I've actually been working on it a couple weeks and have got this figure finished and baby Moses' face finished. And here it is all set up on my table, ready to go. But I'm gonna get the figures done first and then work on the rest. Let me get after it. I have found it easiest when working on the detail that is in the faces to just print out a copy that's not covered with the mesh. That way I can see it clearly. Then I put contact paper sticky side up and I put it on here temporarily. Now I'll put face tape on it and then set it to the substrate, the mesh. And yeah, that's how I did this one, and that's how I will transfer the baby, and then that's how I'll do that one. So I've got the printout for that one right here, and I even had to go in with some marker and kind of make a few changes and just clean it up a little bit once it was blown up, because this is the size that I started with, and I took that and blew it up to scale to the size of the actual mosaic, which is 30 by 75, about. That's it. To do the blanket around baby Moses, and one reason that I made it red is because Moses in the other mosaics is wearing a red outer tunic. Let me just show you real quick. So I saved some of the glass that I used in this outer tunic, and I'll be using it on the baby's blanket. Here's my nicely labeled bag. And I have some brighter glass all ready to go, but I do need some of these darker tones for the shadows. eyes here. Her eyes are brown, so I've got this piece of brown that I really like. This eye is slightly bigger than the other one. Gorgeous brown streaky glass that I've been using for the hair here. And just as a starting point, I've cut out some wavy pieces, and I think I'm going to break them up and glue them down. This is the only part that is stuck down now with thinset. So I'm going to put these pieces in, and then I will figure out the rest. But I really like how they're laying in there, and yeah, I'm going to go for it. It is really a relief to get the faces done. You have no idea how much I agonize over these faces, and getting the figures completed is goal number one so that I can move on to what I consider the easier part, which would be all these reeds and rushes, the water, the lilies, just the background in general. The irises on this side, the sky, the buildings. But next week I will probably tackle the rest of this figure and then the basket. We'll see how far I get. That's putting it together. Thanks for watching. See you next time.